Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change teams in Madden 27 Superstar mode. There's a specific way to do it and you can't just switch teams whenever you want. The first thing you need to do is work on your relationship with your agent. From the main menu in Superstar mode, go to the Character tab and open Sphere of Influence. You'll see several different people and career related options here, but for changing teams, your agent is the one you need to focus on. Select your agent and you'll be able to see their current influence level along with the different rewards you can unlock. Now you need to start completing the objectives connected to your agent. Press square on PlayStation or X on Xbox to open the agent quest. These quests give you specific goals to complete and finishing them will increase your agent influence. So keep working through those objectives, earn more influence and continue progressing your agent level. The key milestone you are trying to reach is agent level 4. Once you get to level 4, you'll unlock a new option called Demand a Trade. This is what allows you to change teams, but there's one more thing you need to keep in mind. Even after unlocking Demand a Trade, you won't be able to use it any point during the season. The option is only available when the trade window is open. So if you have already reached agent level 4 and you don't see the option working, you may simply need to wait for the trade window to become available. Once the window is open, go back to your agent options, choose Demand a Trade, and you can start the process of moving your superstar to a different team. So basically, you need to progress your agent first rather than looking for a team change option right away. Go to Character, open Sphere of Influence, select your agent, complete the agent quest and build up enough influence to reach level 4. After that, wait for the trade window and once it opens, use Demand a Trade to request a move to another team. That's how you can change teams in Madden 27 Superstar mode. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.